नमस्ते बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग and how are you? I'm sure that you're fine. Meenakshi ma'am has come today again with an activity for you. Do you want to meet the Teddy and his mama? Yes, today Teddy and mama has brought something for you. So let's see what they have got for you. So children, meet this Teddy. This Teddy whom you met earlier also. He's telling hello to you. How are you? He's telling. And meet Teddy's mama. So ma'am is going to open the bag and see what they have got in the bag. Ma'am is opening the bag and ma'am is taking out something. Yes. Oh, let's see what ma'am is taking out. This is a plate. And this is another plate. So children, what do you do in the plate? You eat your food, right? And then this is also a plate. But there's a difference. This is a big plate. And this is a small plate. This is Mama's plate. And this is Teddy's plate. Now ma'am is going to take out something else from the bag. Yes. So children, what ma'am has taken out? It's a bottle. It's a bottle. And this is another bottle. Now, there is a difference. This is a big bottle and this is a small bottle. We keep different things in the bottle. So you can see when you go in the kitchen, when you go to the kitchen tomorrow, you can see Mama also keeps different things like salt and sugar in these bottles. So this is a big bottle and this is a small bottle. Now ma'am has taken out spoons from the bag. So this is a blue color spoon and this is a yellow color spoon. But there is a difference. This is a big spoon and this is a small spoon. Yes. Now, ma'am has got 2 cups from the bag. Now, I'll show you this red cup. This is a red cup and this is a white and brown cup. So, children, what do you do in the cup? Mama has tea and you have milk also sometimes. So, this is a big cup. This is a small cup. Say with me, this is a big cup. This is a small cup. So children, these are the things that we got from the bag. Now, we are going to do sorting activity. We will keep the big things near Mama and small things near Teddy. So let's start with a plate. We'll keep the small plate near Teddy and we'll keep the big plate towards Mama. These are the spoons. The big spoon we'll keep towards Mama and small spoon we'll keep towards Teddy. Now big cup we'll keep towards Mama and small cup we'll keep towards Teddy. Children, there are two cards. This card and this card. So, this is a big card. This is a small card. So now, big card we'll keep towards Mama. And small card we'll keep towards Teddy. Children, we have done the sorting. You can also play this game at home. You can mix big and small things and then you can play this game at home, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy this game. So I'm sure also that you have understood what is big and what is small.